What's up, guys? It is C2 Ruin here, and I'm with my friend Josh. Say what's up.
How you doing?
He has his own YouTube channel. I'm gonna put him in the description, so go check him out and like his stuff and all that junk.
I'm cool.
You suck, nerd! Oh, I suck, nerd. We're gonna be playing one whole team deathmatch game. And we're gonna upload it to the tube, okay? I suck at aiming. Holy
Bro,
frickin'.
I haven't seen a single person yet.
Alright. Looks like he's in the M8. Yeah, I can barely find anyone.
Going in!
Freaking faggot took my kill. No offense to that faggot.
No!
Dang it.
Dickwad.
Not too good with the M8.
Some dude literally stunned me and ran.
Oh!
Quadruped.
That coffee does.
One headshot.
Oh my god, perfect grenade throw.
Freaking this dude, really? Freaking.
Are you serious right now? You gotta be pooping in my dick hole.
Oh!
What?
Hit him.
What was that? Oh! You just scream bloody murder for no reason.
I there was a guy coming and I was.
I want to hear that again. Roll the tape.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
So Josh,
I'm working towards
when are you gonna upload to YouTube?
I uploaded Major Mayhem. I have 3 subscribers on my gaming channel, and I have 40 on my vlogging channel.
You hear that, guys? This little poor guy has 3 subscribers.
No, on my gaming channel, because I started it the other day.
Yeah, I know.
I have 40.
Go
I have
get
40 on
him to at least 12.
What was that laugh?
I don't even know.
Yes, headshot number 5.
Do your
I need
parents
3 more
know that
headshots.
you are a homosexual?
My parents know me as a sexual homo.
It's literally the same exact thing.
I mean, what?
I suck at sniping.
Remember when Tyler said, "I want to put my dick in your butt," and like everyone just, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Wait, what was?
Faggot.
He's like, everyone was like, what was that? He's like, it was something
He's
about
like,
putting my dick in your butt.
God. Oh, dang it!
Jump in that hole, your parents will die.
Can you go down that hole? I don't know. YOLO swag, bye guys.
It's pretty dark down here.
It looks like the Playboy Mansion. I think it is the Playboy Mansion from all the condoms.
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 All the condoms.
No, I'm making just comes out. No. Oh yeah, headshot.
Okay, guys, that is the end of.
I got my 8 headshots. Do you care about that?
I do hope you guys enjoyed. Shut up! I'm doing my outro, you faggot.
I'm doing my outro.
Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed. That's the end of the video. If you did,
Do you have a taunt?
make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and do whatever my guy's doing. Watch him touch his nipple at the end.
Oh yeah!
Okay, so like, comment, subscribe. Josh's link will be in the description. Go check him out. And if you don't, you're not a true friend to me. Okay? So if you want to be a true friend to me, you better go check him out. Okay.
You don't have to subscribe. Just look at my channel for a split second.
Yeah, that's all you have to do. Alright, guys. See ya. Bye.
Bye. That was.